Hi guys, so today we're getting a new car. This is our old car. Now we're getting a new one because it doesn't work. It looks neat. We're getting a car with 6 seats in it for all of us.
Yeah.
You Cornea?
Oh my God, what?
And Liza, come here.
What?
There's Liza. I
Beanie.
don't think he's there. Come here.
I don't know if it's on safety or...
Come here, Liza.
Hey.
You want to be in the video? Want to be in the video? Okay, here. That's Eliza. You can hardly see because it's the sun. Look, it's Eliza. It's Eliza. Say hi.
Beanie.
Say hi.
We're potty
Say hi.
trainers, so
Yeah.
she's wearing panties.
She says that all the time. My hair won't go down. I don't know why. I do need a haircut though. Audrey needs a trim. Princess Unicornia needs a trim. Our friends came over last night.
You're a Ming Ming baby. So I don't...
They stayed till midnight, but that was up.
No, they did stay until 12:30.
Yeah, 12:30. Because their mom smoked.
They usually stay until 3 a.m.
True. But not today because we had to go get a new car. We're getting a new car, even though we don't even have any license with it. Or we might have license if we take that off. It's like so hot out here.
You don't go there.
It's like so hot out here. We're like waiting.
5 hours later, they said they're stopping at a gas station.
But we don't know if it's Casey's or Kmart. We're down that way.
That's Kmart.
That's Kmart.
Casey's?
That's Casey's, Circle K, and then Kmart. It's down there somewhere. That's how far it is. It's like a bit long hill. That's like a little hill.
It's like a unicorn because it's fluffy. I just said it's really...
It's a truck all the way over there. There's a bar right there. That's a bar. You know it's not. Over there is a bar.
Yeah.
That's something else. I don't know. People go there. The bar, a bar is on there. There. Oh, well, that's how. Wait, that might be. That could be.
Where's the new car?
Yeah.
Where's the new car?
No. Wait, that's not her anyway, because that's way too small for all of us. It's too small.
So there's 2 up front, 2 in the middle, 2 in the back.
So like 6. 2, 4, 6.
And it's a window guard.
So they're at the gas station right now, guys. I'll pause you till they get here. Bye. So guys, Casey's like down that road. Then right by Casey's, in front of Casey's, it's a bar. Well, we're not allowed to go to it. My mom and dad are, because they're over 21.
I just thought of this. In 8 years, I'll be 21.
Oh geez. In 8 years, how old would I be?
Let's see.
21, 18. Yeah. I'd be 18 in 8 years.
Wow, finally.
In 3 years, I'll be 13.
Oh, so now you're 10.
Yeah. 3 years, I'll be 13.
I forgot Caitlin's 11.
In 3 years, she'll be 16. She's 13 right now. And in 3 years, I'll be 13, which I will be a teenager in 3 years, which I will be waiting for a while. I'll be 11 next year. No, Caitlin's 10. She's turning 11.
turning 11.
Yeah, she's turning 11.
I'm 2 years older than her.
Yeah.
2 years
Well,
and...
3.
No, 2.
2 years and...
2 years is 3.
2 years and...
2 years and 6 months.
Nope, 2 years and 4 months. Because November.
6!
Because, look, July, August, September, October, November. So, she's 2 years and 4 months older than Caitlin. I'm 1 year older than Chloe. I'm 1 year older than Chloe. She's 4 years older than Chloe. She said she's 6, but she's 3. I'm 10, she's 13. I can't wait to be 13 in 3 years. Wouldn't be a teen.
You sleep all day long.
Like you do all the time. Which I'm starting
I
to
could
do.
sleep until 4 if I wanted to, but Mama will not let me.
I'm acting like you when I sleep. Right now I sleep till like 12 p.m. Sometimes. I'll pause you till you guys get here. Guys, right now it's 1:21.
I hold it. I hold it.
No, ma'am.
So guys, I'm gonna end it there. Bye, and I'll catch you guys later. But I have to put my tablet down. Okay, bye.